In a bustling village of long ago, a peculiar creature named Silas lived. He was not a man, nor a beast, but a silkworm. Silas was unlike any other silkworm. While his kin spun simple cocoons, Silas's were extraordinary, glowing with a soft, golden light. One day, a wealthy merchant named Edwin heard of Silas and his magical cocoons. He saw an opportunity to amass great wealth and approached Silas with a proposal. "I will give you a home, food, and safety if you promise to share your golden cocoons with me," Edwin bargained. Silas, initially hesitant, agreed, thinking it was a fair trade. However, as the days passed, Edwin grew greedy. He demanded more and more cocoons, leaving Silas with none for himself. Silas, now weak and malnourished, realized he had made a grave mistake. He was no longer able to produce the golden cocoons, and Edwin, unsatisfied, chased Silas away. Exiled, Silas found solace in a quiet grove. There, he made a vow. "I will share my secret, not for wealth, but for knowledge and prosperity." With a newfound determination, Silas taught the villagers how to cultivate mulberry trees and care for silkworms. The villagers, in turn, shared their skills and resources, creating a thriving community. The golden cocoons spread throughout the village, bringing wealth and prosperity to all. The villagers learned that sharing fostered growth and harmony, a lesson they carried with them forever. And so, Silas, once a lonely silkworm, became the symbol of mutual aid and prosperity, reminding all that the most valuable treasures are those shared with others.